This demo showcases how TechSoft 3D's robust software development toolkit portfolio can be used in conjunction with Polygonica, an SDK provided by our partner MachineWorks to create a browser-based manufacturing review application. Within this Hoops Communicator-based demo, you can either upload your own CAD model, or you can use the existing demo model. Uploaded files are sent to a server running Hoops Exchange, which converts them to the web-optimized .scs format for browser rendering. The model is also processed into a Polygonica entity for advanced operations. Once uploaded, you can access a wide range of tools for manufacturing review, including standard Hoops Communicator features like measurement tools, cutting planes, and also custom functionalities thanks to the Hoops Communicator API, including ground plane toggling. Hoops Communicator gives you the ability to create custom geometry and insert it into the scene, which is how this custom ground plane was created. Model orientation. With Hoops Communicator, you can apply transformation matrices to specified nodes, which allows how the model sits on the ground plane to be modified. PMI display. If the model uploaded has product manufacturing information present, the visibility can be turned on and off. Overhang detection. Hoops Communicator is used to extract the positions and normal vectors of each vertex in the model. Then a vector color is applied based on the value and current angle setting. And also, physically based rendering, which can be enabled and modified by selecting a material for the model and modifying the model's color. Thanks to the Polygonica API, additional analysis tools are available within this demo, such as wall thickness analysis, which allows you to get thickness values for every vertex in the mesh representation of the CAD model. And also some basic feature detection capabilities, allowing for enhanced manufacturing insights. This manufacturing as a service workflow is just one of many ways that Hoops Communicator, Hoops Exchange, and MachineWorks Polygonica can seamlessly integrate to create powerful engineering applications. For more information about any of the products used in this video, or to take a look at our robust product portfolio for any of your CAD and CAE workflow needs, please visit techsoft3d.com. Additionally, if you would like to play with this sample application yourself, view the code for this sample app, or view and play with any of the additional sample applications that we provide, please visit labs.techsoft3d.com.